Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is the Iron Shore neighborhood in Montego Bay. Now as you can see, they have some very nice homes, some mansions. This is probably the number one neighborhood in Montego Bay. Now we're going to Usually we just show you the road and thing, but we're going to focus more on the homes. So guys, let us know if you prefer this version of the tour, as we will make more videos like this. Let us know which angle you prefer. Now Anshore is a massive development. It has grown over the years. I mean, look at the size of some of these homes. Larger than what you find anywhere else in Jamaica. And the neighborhood is so large that they actually have two plazas at one of the entrances, and they're actually building a Price Mart location just out on the main road by Anshore. Look at the landscaping on this property. Very nicely done, the one on the right. Wow, that is a nice house. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and let us know what you think. This is a new angle we're talking about. If you want us to, when we're doing the neighborhood tours, we could do it this way. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.